Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background image on the home screen on your Xbox One. This is very easy to do. So I was just in the Forge in Halo Infinite, and I took this picture and set it as background. Now to change this, it's very easy. We want to go up to Settings and select this. Then under General, let's go to the right and go to Personalization. Now under here, we can go to where it says My Background and select this. Type in your PIN if you have one. Then under here, we're going to have 4 different options. So we can go to a solid color for the background, or we can use achievement art. Now achievement art is something you unlock every time you unlock an achievement. So if we go on over to our games, and let's go to Rocket League for example, and select this. Each time you unlock an achievement, you actually unlock an achievement art. So these pictures right alongside it, you can set as a background. So let's select this one and then go on down and we can set it as a background right here. Now, if I go to the home screen, Rocket League is going to be my background image. Now we can use screenshots as well. So let's go back to Personalization, My Background. So here we have the option for screenshot. Now we can select this and any kind of screenshot we captured, we can use as the background. So here's my previous background and here's some of Minecraft. I don't use a lot of screenshots on the Xbox One, but let's go to something like 3 years ago and select it, and we can do the same thing. We can set it as a background. Now go over the image, press the button with the 3 lines on it, and then go to Set as Background. Now the last option right here is Custom Image. So if we select this, we can use a USB device and plug it into our Xbox One, and we can use a custom image under here. So I can access the USB device, and then if I have images on that device, I can select them. So here's Game DVR. I was recording clips and screenshots on my Xbox One earlier. So here's a picture of Halo Infinite. Then I can also select this device, my Xbox One, and I can find pictures under here. Maybe something will work, but this says this folder is empty for my pictures. Same thing for the downloads. Now maybe you don't like any of these that you placed as a background. You can go to Restore Default Background, and then you can see when you go over specific apps or icons, it's going to switch. So I kind of like this one actually, just because it actually rotates and it looks pretty good. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.